Hi there, welcome to the beginner's tutorial on internal continuous assessment scheduling on edusyms. The Internal Continuous Assessment Report 191 internal assessments prepare students for external examinations through formal assessment activities that support teaching and learning and build up internal continuous assessment marks that count towards the calculation of final examination results. In terms of the national policy on the conduct, administration, and management of the examination of formal technical college instructional programs (FTCIP), these marks should be subjected to quality assurance mechanisms to ensure that uniformity of standards is maintained. The quality assurance, i.e. moderation, monitoring and verification mechanisms inherent in the assessment process serve to strengthen its credibility and thereby the credibility of the qualification. The overarching and founding principles of all assessments of Report 191 offerings are quality and credibility. The Report 191 internal continuous assessment marks for business studies semester marks are valid for 2 consecutive years, and for engineering studies trimester marks are valid for 3 examinations, not necessarily consecutive. All assessment evidence should be available during this period, should queries arise, or further external moderation processes be conducted. In the following video, I will walk you through the scheduling of internal continuous assessments on edusyms step by step. Okay, let's get this party started. In this tutorial, we will use information from trimester 2 of the 2021 NATED Engineering N1 to N6 examinations. The information in your case will vary depending on your specific situation. Select Academic from the main menu and then Subjects groups. Begin by selecting the term you want to work on in the Subject Groups window. The list of subjects with actively enrolled students for the selected term will be displayed as hyperlinks that you can click to open more menu functions. Alternatively, you can schedule assessments by clicking on the folder icon on the far right of the subject title. Navigate to the top right of the newly opened window, click the drop-down menu Manage, and then select Tests and Assignments. Still in the top right corner, just below Manage, click the green button labeled Add, which begins with a plus sign. Check your top left before clicking on Add to ensure you have the correct term selected. Begin by selecting the type of assessment and making sure not to tick Online, followed by the title of the assessment, which must be the same in all subjects. Test 1 is the title of my assignment. Choose the appropriate year under time period and enter the term number as a single digit in the T field. Then enter the date, time, and duration in minutes. The total marks field will always assume you are capturing percentages, so it is set to 100 by default. Alternatively, you can set the total of your assessment to raw, in which case your total marks will be 10. For example, if your test 1 was out of 10, your total marks will be 10. The following field is the direct contribution to the final score, where you can enter the weighting percentage that will be used in the calculation of the year mark. For test 1, it is 30%. Add a clear description and click on Save. In order to schedule Test 2, repeat the preceding steps. The title and weighting will be the most important changes to make. In the case of Test 2, the weighting is 70%. We have come to the end of the tutorial. Congratulations, you have just mastered the scheduling of assessments on edusyms. Thank you for your time.